Hello and happy Tuesday. My name is Michael Leeserman here with the Trial Guide's Tip of the Day. It is May 30th, 2023. Today's tip comes from Rick Friedman's book, Becoming a Trial Lawyer, A Guide for the Lifelong Advocate. Every time you call an additional witness to prove a point, you create a very real risk of inconsistencies. People at the same event focus on different things. Two qualified experts will almost always disagree on certain points. Competent opponents will seize on this to make your case appear inconsistent. So additional witnesses have a risk. And I think what Rick is saying here, the implicit, or it might be explicit in the next sentence, is consider not doing that. Narrow down the witnesses to those you really need. If you need another witness to make another point, fine. To reinforce a point, maybe once if it's really important, maybe not. But think about that, because then what's the downside? Inconsistency is a downside. I think monotony and boring the jury is another downside. The judge saying enough with the duplicative witnesses. What points do you need to prove? Have you proved them conclusively? And if two people have been placed on the stand and they're convincing, you don't need to put any more. It can only create risks. Now there's challenges. I've had cases where there's 8 beneficiaries for someone's death. Maybe there's 8 children, and each one has a line on the verdict form. I don't want to not call them. I think I have to call them so that the jury has a basis for putting a value on what was taken from them. And I want to make sure I'm not repeating information. So in that instance, I would want to find different parts of the decedent's story that they could tell. So it all reinforces each other, but it's not just repeating. Oh, and were you at that Christmas dinner in 1999 as well? Tell us about that dinner from your point of view. No. Pick different events, different parts of the relationship, so that each witness has something fresh to tell. Let's now just pause, take a deep breath together, and be grateful to be alive this Tuesday. May the work that we do today help to reduce suffering in the world. May our efforts today help repair the world. May we fiercely and compassionately, because those things can exist together. May we advocate for our clients. May we champion their stories. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This can take you into a meditation practice, a prayer practice, or just remind you, it's Tuesday. Wake up, go out, do good things, and have fun while you're doing it. Have a great day.